Holy moly, it is happening! The ever-popular fat tire folding segment is getting ever more exciting with the addition of this beast of a bike, the Starrun S20, a dual-suspension folding electric bike that's an absolute powerhouse. If you're looking for thrilling rides up steep hills without a hint of hesitation, this is the bike for you. Take what you know about a folding bike and throw it out the window because this bike is breaking the boundaries of its class. Today we're taking a sponsored look at the S20 from Starrun, so let's kick things off by talking about the concept of the bike. Normally, folding bikes are efficient, lightweight, and generally have small motors and batteries that are made for just the last mile or two of a commute. Now, the S20, on the other hand, it's made to blast up steep hills or travel huge distances with comfort and convenience. Coming in at around 80 pounds in total weight, this tugboat can carry 300 pounds on the bike. And with a wide rack and relative ease of mounting, the S20 really pushes the limits of what a folding bike should do. An interesting feature stands out, and that's the Starrun's S20 impressive display. It's vibrant, eye-catching, and super easy to read, which honestly reminds me of the look of the bike itself. Now, the controls for the display are conveniently located right at your fingertips with the display remote switch. Adjusting the ride settings while on the go is incredibly smooth. And again, speaking of smooth, look at the bike. Its sleek orange and black design and attention to detail make it an absolute head-turner. Now, with solid wheels and a robust frame, this S20 exudes confidence, and you'll feel like a superstar cruising down the street. Now, let's talk about one of the coolest features, its folding capability. This beast of a bike absolutely does fold up. The Starrun S20 can fold its frame, handlebars, and pedals, making it incredibly convenient to transport and store. Now, convenience is key, so the S20's locking and removable battery makes recharging very easy. You can take it with you or simply charge it while it's on the bike, and having the weight of the battery right in the middle of the bike is crucial for maintaining balance when riding in difficult terrain. Now, whether you're an urban commuter or a weekend explorer, this bike's versatility is truly innovative. But let's get down to the heart of the matter, the battery and the motor. The S20 boasts a 52-volt, 16-amp-hour battery. Now, this little guy can really go the distance. With a 750-watt geared motor, this bike is wildly powerful, and it practically eats up hills for breakfast. Now, I recently took the S20 for a spin on some steep hills, and let me tell you, it was a breeze. Now, with the twist of a throttle or just pedal assist, this little guy can go up just about anything I could throw at it. The bike's throttle response is lightning fast, and it tackles with zero hesitation. It's like having your very own superhero sidekick that pushes you up the challenging hills. Now, safety is paramount, and when you're flying at up to 28 miles an hour, that's even more important. But fret not, because the Starrun S20 has you covered with hydraulic brakes that provide precise stopping power. And aside from the bright looks of the frame, it also has front and rear lights, including brake light function, that will be visible and safe during those late-night rides. And I can't get too far without mentioning the dual suspension. Having the capability of absorbing about 800 pounds, the comfort for the rider and the control that it can provide is great for staying cool or staying balanced while carrying a load. The front suspension is adjustable and has a lockout to meet your preference, and combined with the wide footprint on the rear rack, I'm sure that this bike can do a lot more than meets the eye. Now, with all this power in the electric system, it's easy to overlook some of the other components, like the Shimano Tourney derailleur, which itself is supported by the pedal assist function. The cadence-based pedal assist kicks in to take pressure off the rider and the gearing, making for a great ride anytime. In the front, you've got a nice stout suspension fork with lockouts and adjustments, and in the rear, this vertically mounted damper with some actually really large linkage for the rear suspension. This kind of system gives you immense comfort when riding around, but also some control if you wanted to take it on more challenging terrain. Having all this capability on a folding bike is really hilarious. Now, all in all, the Starrun S20 is a genre-breaking electric bike that combines tons of power, a little bit of style, and definitely convenience. It's perfect for thrill seekers who want to conquer steep hills without breaking a single sweat. The folding feature and top-notch power and the striking design make it for a true standout in the electric bike world. Big thanks to Starrun for sponsoring Electrek on YouTube. You can check the links in the description below to shop for your very own electric bike from Starrun.